So in order to start your business on Amazon, you need to have a Seller Central account. How you can make the Seller Central account? Do you need to register a LLC for that? No, the answer is very simple. Hello and welcome to Digital Byte Craft. So by the end of this video, you will be able to create your Amazon Seller Central account. The process is very simple. All you need is your valid identification proof and the residential proof. Let's just go through the process step by step. So you will come to sellercentral.amazon.com. You will click, since you don't have an account, so you will click sign up, where you will click create your new account, and it will take you to this page. You will enter your name, email address, you will select your new password and click create your account. So it will take you to this page and just solve this puzzle. Then an email will be sent to your account. You just have to paste that code here. After that, you will add your mobile number. So once you verify your phone number via OTP, then you or the authenticator app, you would come to this menu. Just select your business location. In this example, I'm going with Pakistan, so you would write here Pakistan. Also select your entity type. In this case, you would be mostly individual. So you will select none, I am individual. So once you would select in business type none, I am an individual, you would have to add your first name, middle name, last name, and then confirm. Then click this checkbox where you confirm that your business location and type are correct. And in the end, just click agree and continue. Then you would come to this page where you will fill primary contact person information. You will add your first name, last name, country of citizenship, your date of birth, residential address, captcha, language, and then click next. So after that, you will come to this page where you have to pay your monthly subscription fee. You will add your card number and all the details, and then just click next. So once your payment is completed, you would come to store and product information, where you would select your store name. Do you have UPCs for all the products, yes or no? If no, then you will click no. Do you own your own brand? So you will select these options and click next. So in the end, you will come to this page where you will confirm your identity and address verification. Just add your information and upload your passport and identification proof. That can also be your CNIC. Also upload your proof of address, which can be your bank account statement or your electricity bill. So upload that and click next. After that, Amazon can ask for further verification. Then you would just complete that process. So after this last step, all you have to do is follow up. If Amazon requires any further thing, you would have to provide that. Most probably it does not require any further thing. All you have to do is just keep on monitoring their emails. If they say that your images are not right, or you have to re-upload them, so just do that, your identification documents and the residential proof. So once you upload those, your account would be active. I created this account recently from Pakistan just for the training purposes. So after creating your account, go to your account setting and manage your services, whether you want these services or not. Like I re-registered myself from customer services by Amazon. Also different stores are available here, whether you want to sell here or not. If you don't want to sell here, you can always select which store you want to close. You have to update your tax information, your shipping and returns information, your business information, your payment information. So all these information you have to update, and you would be good to sell. So this was the complete process of account. So now you can create your Amazon Seller Central account. Hopefully this video would be helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and keep watching. In the next video, I'll tell you how we can manage our price so that our pricing is competitive and we have the buy box on our listings and we have the best chance of selling our product. Thank you so much, and stay tuned and subscribe.